Japan has improved the quality of its air once badly polluted by industrial processes, but the use of modern chemicals has caused a new wave of environmental concern. Terence Terashima takes a look at air pollution in Japan.
When you look at the history of a country's economic growth, it is most likely that you would come across a struggle against pollution. Factories that drove economic growth sometimes brought about heavy air pollution, and governments struggled to maintain the environment. Japan also once faced serious air pollution problems, resulting in illnesses, death and decades of lawsuits. Residents living near an industrial zone is very conscious of the safety standards put on by the factories. Rapid economic growth brought about heavy air pollution along Japan's industrial belts along the Pacific coast. Kawasaki had highest concentration of chemical plants, suffered atmospheric contamination in the 60s and the 70s. Many residents came down with respiratory problems and death.
I remember the sky was covered by a black cloud of smoke. We could not see very far. The air was so smoggy. It's so much different from today.
The city has succeeded in significantly improving the air, reduced the atmospheric sulfur dioxide density to less than 10% compared with 40 years ago. But new era comes with new chemicals, such as paraxylene, and similar chemicals suspected of causing pollutions. Officials said proper measures are being taken, but some residents living near the factory worry if it's safe.
It would be nice if we could get data that would reassure us there is no pollution concern.
I think we should be fine. I'm not worried as much.
Japanese Ministry of Environment is releasing real-time reports on air pollutions and particulate matters, but analysts point out that the data is limited and more diverse data is needed. I've asked some chemical companies for comments, but most declined official statements. Only one spokesperson said adequate safety measures and air treatments are being done. Terence Terashima, CCTV, Tokyo.